Box number 3 has a lot more stuff in it. Even have the valve seat to repair the damaged block. Have bearings. Got a lower hose from his 34 Ford that had the twin turbos. I'm gonna have to get with Harry and find out what these were for. Some, assorted parts. Harry was telling me that Jack was pretty adamant about putting thermostats in and screwing them down and everything. Bunch of spark plugs, good starter, 2 wastegates. These are actually the lifters, all matched to whatever cam lobe they came off of. There are some more spark plugs with shims to index them. This is a cover that's been modified for that particular distributor. They shortened it a little bit. Had clearance issues in the car. Sometimes may not have the parts in here, but I do have the part number, springs, cam gear, crankshaft gear, started gaskets. I don't know what these things are. A bunch of ARP nuts and studs. That cost a small fortune. These are the exact valves and everything they ran in the turbo motor. These were some chamber designs I guess they were either playing with or had those heads done, modified that way. Exhaust dividers. I think Harry was telling me Jack was a big believer in those. These are just a few sorted parts. These were the actual pistons they ran in the turbo motor. Getting a little windy out here. I guess I could have these duplicated if I really wanted to. They're actually smaller in bore than what we've been running on the Mustang, which I thought was small. These are 82 millimeter. And this was a design that Harry was thinking about having done, where it would squish the dead fuel back in the squish area back here, back towards the valves and the action. Yeah, these heads have considerable meat in them. I saw the sheet. The other thing that's amazing is all the paperwork that I got from Jack and Harry, of like when they ordered the pistons and everything. I had the complete order sheet and everything. What they thought they were going to be doing with the motor and stuff. They were running to Bonneville with 20 pounds of boost. And I think that's where they ran. Good plug wires.